Also need to try to get out to the beach today before this afternoon. Look, it's spectacular out there in Sunny Isle. Everyone up and down there. It feels like 92 already out there. The humidity is really going to keep going. Haven't had really any rain this morning. That's the good news. Later this afternoon, that changes where we're going to see starts building up here this afternoon. 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock. There it goes. You can see it starting to build up and mostly down by Homestead as well. That's going to kick off several days. Yeah, several days of rain. That's why we are tracking the tropics. We've got a trough that's going to kind of move here into the northern Gulf. The National Hurricane Center says about a 20% chance of some type of development there, but that's not what we're concerned about. As it moves, it's going to pull all of this tropical rain up into Florida, and that's where we're just going to see days of rain, specifically starting tomorrow. This is tomorrow. Look, that starts about 2, 3 o'clock, boom, really kicks up 4, 5 o'clock during the rush hour traffic. Heavy rain tomorrow, a couple inches of rain, and that's just the first day. That's why we are now triggering next weather alert day for Monday. You can see it here, flash flood threat for our entire area. This is from the Weather Prediction Center, level 2 out of 4. You need to take this serious and be prepared. Not just tomorrow, we're going to see rain for several days. Today, though, look what we're dealing with. The humidity already above the triple-digit club there across Broward County. You get down to Miami-Dade, we're getting close to it, especially Kendall, 98. Down here in the Keys, lower Keys, you're really going to feel it down there in Key West, 101. So stay hydrated today. Stay inside, especially once the rain starts. Get out and enjoy it. Make sure you take your friends outside. Arnold's waiting to go outside. He wants to get his walk in before the rain. You can see you need to do that before noon. If you want to send in a picture of your friend, go ahead. We'll put them in our dog walk forecast, pics at cbsmiami.com, and we'll get them included as well. Want to show you the 7-day forecast. That's why we've got that next weather alert day. You can see it there on Monday. Heavy rain, but then look, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, there's going to be a multi-day rain event. So it is going to be, enjoy the sun while you can today, Ted, because it is going to change dramatically for the next few days. And be prepared tomorrow. That next weather alert day, pretty serious. You need to take that seriously tomorrow.